Okay, so good morning all. So today we are going to learn about transposition techniques. So in this transposition technique, we are relatively going to change the position of the text. Okay, so position of text means we are not going to take any number of substitution or substituting a character, but we are changing the sequence of a character appearing over the plain text. So when we so when we used in substitution technique, what we did in substitution technique, we have seen that we are taking a single key, and with respect to the single key, along with the plain text, we change the character, or we substitute a character instead of actual character to make it from plain text to ciphertext. So here, so in substitution technique, we learn that how do we replace a character instead of actual character. But here in transposition technique, what we are going to learn is we are going to change the sequence of characters. Okay, if we have a long plain text, we are going to change the sequence of plain text. Okay, so that is how we work in a transposition technique. Either it is not completely safe, but it is well known for primary level of ciphering. Okay, so here in transposition technique, uh, the transposition cipher does not substitute one symbol, that is one character for another. Instead, it changes the location of a symbol or a character. Okay, so there are two types of transposition techniques or a cipher, that is real fence and a columnar technique. So in real fence, it is similar to a fencing. Okay, it is similar to a fencing in which on a wall or over a wall or nearby a rail track, we the government lays a fencing for non-interruption of people for a rail track. So in the similar way, we are going to have a real fence technique where the fencing will be there, that is odd and even. We can say it is an odd even though. Okay, and the columnar technique we will again use into a form of a matrice. Okay, that we learn the similar to our playfair. Okay, but it is slightly different from a playfair. Okay, so in in a real fence, what we do, it is a simplest cipher. In simplest such cipher is the rail fence, in which the plain text is written down as a sequence of diagonal and then read off as a sequence of a row. Okay, so here what we have an example, that the meet me at the park. Okay, so the Bob wishes to send a message to Alice, meet me at the park. Okay, so what will be the rail fence? So MEETTMEATTHEPARK. So here, as it is shown in the arrow, that in a diagonal way we write uh, every character apart. Okay, so first we are writing into an upper in the usual way, and the another is at the next diagonal level. Okay, and once again, and zigzag way, in a diagonal zigzag way we write each and every character as well. And that is, we separate each and every plain text into a diagonal way. And to make it cipher, what we do, we collect the first row as it appears. Okay, so what we do over here, we will take this whole row. Okay, we will take whole row, that is MEATEAK. So here MEATEAK again. Then we will do this one. Okay, ETETHPR. So ETETHPR. So here is what we have a ciphertext from a plain text, that is this one. Okay, so here we have converted into first all number of first column, sorry, first row, we have written collective into the first, into a first way, m e MEMATEAK, and then ETETHPR. So here we first take first row, then we say when we take a second row. Okay, so here we have converted plain text from a ciphertext. So the Alice will have this ciphertext like this one. Okay, so here we have taken the rail fence sequence, that is equal to 2. Okay, this one is first, this one is first, and this one is second. So first and second will be the will be the two keys. Okay, where we say it is a two keys. For example, we say it is uh, mm, here we have taken key equal to 2. Okay, so here what we have a first, and we have a first column, uh, we have a first column, sorry, first row and the second row. Okay, so we make our diagonal in the form of m into two way only. Okay, we make it into a two way only. Okay, so this is how we use our rail fence. Let us have one more example over it. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, so now also you try it with in your notebook also, that take a plain text is this is a secret message. Okay, for your convenience write each and every message into such a form. Okay, then with respect to the rail fence, okay, with respect to the rail fence we'll have to use a diagonal. But why we have taken these four four columns, that is why we have taken four columns, anybody? So if why we have taken four rows?
Key equal to 4.
Yes, key is equal to 4, so we have four keys as well. Okay, so we have taken the diagonal way, that is 4. જો એક અહીંયા, પછી અહીંયા, again it will go with the diagonal, again this one, again this one, and wisely. Okay, આ જ રીતે આપણે we have kept our each and every sequence of plain text into a diagonal where the key is equal to 4. Okay, getting as well. Okay, so and at the last we collect these, and we collect whole this call first is in the form of this one, TATG, TATG. Okay, then what we take a second as well. એક ડાઉટ તમે આની અંદર આવવો જોઈએ actually. Okay, okay, then what do we have? We have a third row. Okay, we have a third row, and we have one more is fourth is this one. Okay, so here we have fourth rows, first, second, third, and fourth. Collectively it makes the TATG HSSE MEET EI, okay, EIIERESSESSES SSCS. Okay, so this is what is my whole whole ciphertext. Okay, now again you try it in your notebook where the plain text is I will always respect my parents, where the key size equal to 3. Okay, I'll give you 3 minutes. Okay, start doing. And if you finish your task, if you finish your task, you can answer in chat box. You can give answer in chat box. Okay, very good. So before time, many have finished the task. Okay, okay, fine, 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 fine. Okay, good. Even though, okay, so okay. Okay, so very nice. So let us see the answer of this is this one. So you might have done the answer your example in this way. So you might have written my parents. Parents. Okay, so this is our cipher text. Okay, any doubt over the real fence? Okay, so so as also I ask you that there could be a confusion, or there could be one question they it may arise. Okay, the answer let me give. So here we are taking the key. Okay, so we can take a key as with respect to the requirement. Okay, to how long we wish to make it more secure. Okay, so here what we do what we have here, we have a key equal to 3, we can also make key equal to 5, we can also make key equal to 8. Okay, so only the thing is we'll have to make, if we keep key equal to 8, we'll have to keep our rail fence more lengthier, means we'll have to make more very deep diagonal from 1 to 9 as well. Okay, so that will make more hectic with respect to the requirement, and again we'll have to collect it, and for the decryption also we'll have to use it, we'll have to make it in the same diagonal as well. So this is how we use it, a rail fence. Okay, so okay, the next is columnar technique. A more complex scheme is to write the message in a rectangle form, row by row, and read the message of column by column, but permute the order of the column. So here what we do, the order of a column then becomes the key to the algorithm. So here what we have, attack postpone until, okay, until to, okay, so here what do we have, we have a, okay, we what do we have, we have a, sorry, we have, okay, so here we have, sorry, we have a plain text this much only. Okay, so what do we have, so in the order of a column then, and then becomes the key to the algorithm. So what do we have, we have a plain text, that is attack postponed until 2 a.m. આ આપણી plain text છે, but in a plain text, in a plain text we have kept this plain text in the form of a rectangle. So here we have taken the column, that is first, second, we have taken a column, that is sorry, we have taken a column first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and a seventh. Okay, we have taken 7 columns as well. Okay, so this is what my columns are. We have converted plain text into a column form. Okay, now here is what, see here, we we have a vacant space over the columns. Okay, so meanwhile what you are supposed to do, we'll have to fill all the boxes available over the columns. Okay, gb matrix ની અંદર boxes available હોય બધા completely full હોવા જોઈએ, and then we'll have to select how to make it. So how you will do, here we have segregated plain text into a column into a rectangle form. So we have a 7 columns. Now if we have a pre-order key, okay, if we have a pre-order key, then we go for it. Okay, so okay, so here see, here we make a random selection of a column like 4, 3, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we can also do 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 3, 5. Okay, so here we can make any combination of a key to take the columns. Okay, okay, so here literally we are not going to use the key into a plain text to make it ciphertext, but we take a key help to make it to for the selection of a plain text to make it a ciphertext. So now what we'll take, we'll take a first column ttna, then we will take the second column, then we will take a third column, then fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Okay, so what will happen over here, we take ttna, so we have a ttna. Okay, then we have a second column aptm, so aptm. Okay, then what we have, third column, then we have a fourth column. Okay, then we have a fourth column, that is AODM. So AODM, sorry, AODM. Then we have a fifth column COIX. So COIX. Then we have a sixth column KNLY. So KNLY, and last is PETZ. So this is how my plain text is converted from, into a ciphertext with the help of the key, using the random key or random column sequence. Okay, randomly we are selecting a sequence of a plain text from rectangle or rectangle that we have created. Okay, so this key into an exam also will, we will be giving a plain text or a ciphertext along with the key. Okay, for your selection. Okay, let us have an example of this. So this is what the message from Mary Stuart, kill the queen. Okay, so here again 9 columns are there. Okay, 9 columns are there, let me wipe up all. Okay, so here what do we have, we have a 9 columns. So 4 9 1 7 5 3 2 8 6, we can also have an 1 3 5 7 9 and 2 4 6 8 as a rectangle key. Okay, so here after execution of this, what we will have, we will have smtu. So smtu. Okay, then what do we have, we have a second like esl, and then we have whole number of message with respect to the sequence. Okay, any doubt? Okay, fine. So here we have converted plain text from a from using a columnar technique, and we have a ciphertext. Okay, so apart than this, into a columnar technique we have a one more advanced columnar technique. So what do we do in advanced columnar technique, whatever the ciphertext that we have, whatever the ciphertext that we have, again we put it into a column, and using the same key we make a ciphertext. Okay, so ciphertext of a ciphertext. Okay, whatever it is being generated from a plain text. So what do we do in advanced columnar technique, we make it an plain text to ciphertext to advanced ciphertext. So plain text to ciphertext to advanced ciphertext. Okay, but the issue is we cannot have more than 80% accuracy when we convert from advanced ciphertext to ciphertext and ciphertext to plain text. So that is decryption of advanced columnar technique. Okay, so you can try it in your notebook also. Okay, and after this you try it in your notebook that we are discovered flee at once. Okay, where the key is zebra. Okay, once you finish, you make your answer over the chat box. If you have a question, you can also raise your hand or ask me as well. Okay, finish. Who has finished? They can post your answer over. Okay, done. So let us have the answer. I think no one has done this or have a confusion. Okay, then yes, 509. Okay. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so how you have taken into an accordance with the key? How we have taken? Okay. Okay, so here we have taken a zebra as a key, and we have made a number of, and it is viewable, na? Okay, so here what do we have? We have a zebra as a key, and we are discovered fleet once. Okay, so here we have a plain text we have arranged into a form of 5 columns, and with respect to the algebraic manner, okay, into an algebraic manner, what do we have? We have an alphabet that comes next to next. That is, first we have an algebra, that is alphabet A. So we take A, O, D, A, E. Okay, then we take, after A it comes B. Okay, so for B what it comes, we take an A. Okay, A, S, R, E, N, and after that we have a E as well. Okay, then we have an R C E E C, that is what we have R, and Z will be W D V F T. So W D V F T. So here we are taking zebra as a connect, as a key to make it as well, to make it a ciphertext. So this is my ciphertext of we are discovered fleet ones. Okay, where the zebra is our key. Okay, so this is how we have a columnar technique and a trail fence technique of substitution technique of transposition ciphering or transposition technique. Okay, so apart than this we have a cryptography and cryptanalysis. Okay, so what do we have a cryptanalysis, that is, okay, so the cryptography is, we have a cryptography is the study of design of a technique for ensuring the secrecy or the authenticity of an information. JV, whatever the information that we have, it should be kept a secret and should not reveal the to unauthorized fellow. Okay, so it must keep the authenticity of a message as well. And the cryptanalysis deals with the defeating such technique to recover the information or forging information that will be accepted as authentic. Okay, so uh, to recover કરવા માટે બી જે બી ટેકનિક યુઝ થાય, so that we say it is a cryptanalysis. Okay, cryptography શું કરે કે authenticity અને secrecy maintain કરે, અને cryptanalysis શું કરે કે જે બી secrecy મતલબ જે બી message હોય એને recover કરવા માટે whatever the information whatever it is done, it is known as cryptanalysis. Okay, so there in a cryptographic system we use algorithms. So these algorithms and the protocols can be grouped into four main areas. Number one is cryptographic algorithm and a protocol. Then we have the symmetric key encryption. So here symmetric encryption bhi kehvaye, is classical encryption bhi kehvaye, or we can say it is an symmetric key encryption. Okay, so in a symmetric key encryption into a substitution method we have seen. In a symmetric encryption is used to secure the content of a block or streams of data of any size size, including message, files, encryption key, and a password. So here symmetric encryption ની અંદર શું થાય કે both sender and receiver will share a similar key as well. Okay, here asymmetric key will result in a form of to conceal small blocks of data such as encryption key and hash function values which are used in digital signature. So here in a digital signature we have a two portion, that is a sender has one key and a receiver has other key. So both can encrypt using encryption and decryption can be done using different keys. Sender will encrypt using his own key and the receiver decrypts the key by his own key. Okay, so other part of a key. Okay, next is data integrity algorithms. Okay, so it is used to protect blocks of data such as message, okay, from alteration. Like કોઈ આપણો આખા મેસેજ ને ચેન્જ ના કરી શકે ને એના માટે ડેટા ઇન્ટિગ્રિટી રાખવું પડે, and it is been done using cryptographic algorithm. And the last is authentication protocols. So what is the protocol? A scheme based on the use of cryptographic algorithm designed to authenticate the identity of the entity. So it preserves the identity of an of a user using like digital signature છે, okay, certificates, SSL certificates છે. एक आइडेंटिटी प्रिजर्व करे. So to preserve that identity, we are supposed to keep authentication protocol as such as strong as the encryption as well. જેટલું encryption important છે એટલું જ authentication algorithm important છે, because using the authentication we have some subjective, that is confidentiality. We'll have to keep the confidentiality on confidential information, okay, which should not be disclosed or revealed in unauthorized form. Okay, next is privacy, that is we'll have to keep our information private as it is more important. Okay, it should not be disclosed in front of anybody. And the data integrity, so that ensures information and programs are changed only in a specified and authorized manner. In Akash, it preserves the information and the programs to be changed. Like JB assurance, it gives an assurance that whatever the information that we are receiving, it is intact. Next is the system integrity. Okay, that assures the system performs its intent function in an unimpaired manner, free from deliberate or inadvertent unauthorized manipulation of a system. એટલે જે બી સિસ્ટમ આપણે યુટિલાઇઝ કરી છે it is a proper, કોઈ જ change નથી, and whatever the information that we received, it is intact and not altered by any unauthorized fellow or a system. Okay, and last is availability. So the availability should be, it is very important that the service is not denied to the authorized user. The GB service fast મળે, and next is GB unauthorized access, જે છે unauthorized user, authorized user denied ન કરી શકે. So the service whoever received is the authorized fellow only. જે authorized હોય એને જ મળે. Okay, and last is authenticity. Whoever the user is using it is accountable that he is an authorized fellow and genuine fellow. And accountability, whoever is generating the secured message and whoever is getting the message is proper. Okay, as well. So this is what the accountability is. The person who receives the message is perfect વ્યક્તિ છે એટલે જ એને મેસેજ મળ્યો છે. That is what the accountability, and should not be claimed that the XYZ has not done by me. Threat is potential violation of the security that exists